First soul camp was 2009 for me. I just met my girlfriend of, well, now my fiance, and she told me about this outdoor 3-day music extravaganza. That was enough for me. Wilderness, music, I was there.
House music touches me deep to the roots of my soul. It helps me center myself and merge. It's one of the few times where I just get lost and forget about, the day-to-day struggles and just really enjoy the music and the moment and dance free.
Started out with, maybe 50 of us in the woods, and just this concept of just going out there playing, good music, with people, with friends. It just started out as friends. It was free. Being a part of the team that made this event happen, it's an honor.